So it's great to be back for the December 2019 Hands Up for Chad quiz. I'm Amy Papiransky. We're in Dram today, and our teams are Claire Gullen, Andrew Harrington, Jamie McDonald, who all attended the Distill course as part of Hands Up for Chad, and on the other team we have Scots singers Iona Fife, Cameron Nixon, and accordion player Paddy Callahan. The aim today is to answer as many questions as possible on Scottish music and culture. If you answer early and you get the answer wrong, we're going to take a point off you. If you enjoy what we do here at Hands Up for Chad, we would love it if you could support us and contribute to us at www.patreon.com/handsupforchad. Okay, so round one, quickfire. Who was the long-running host of the Take the Floor? Jamie.
Robbie Shepherd.
Yes, point to this team. Number two, which Scottish New Year's tradition first started at Christmas? Jamie?
First footing.
Yep, that's right. First visitor to a home on Christmas Day was called the first footer. The person must bear gifts of peat, money and bread to symbolise warmth, wealth and lack of want. Well done, Jamie.
Makes more sense.
Okay, number three. Which Scots and Gaelic singer's first album was called Don't Sing Love Songs?
Is it Maeve Mackinnon?
Well done, yep.
Well done.
Okay, number four. Which architect built the Glasgow School of Art? Iona?
Charles Rennie MacIntosh.
Yes, Charles Rennie MacIntosh.
Did he?
Bonus point.
Oh yeah, sorry.
Which house in Helensburgh did he build?
The Mackintosh.
No. Anybody else can that?
The big house.
The big house.
Big house.
Yeah, no. The Hill House, so no to get the bonus question.
dear.
Number five. Where was ex-Prime Minister David? Iona.
Parish of Glass near Huntly.
Yes. So that was the ex-Prime Minister. I did not know this. This is where my mum and dad met. Ex-Prime Minister David Cameron's father was born in Glass and Huntly. He was born at Blairmore, sounds fancy, house. And that's that. So number six, ready?
Oh, I don't know.
Name all three, no cheekiness, points deducted. Name all three Elegant Sessions albums. Hands up, folks. Iona?
Elusive Highland Beauty.
Yep.
Yes.
What Makes You.
Yep, great. One more.
Something about the world.
Nah. Pass over to the other team.
They finished the
But not a
question.
point.
We
Just
know
remember
this.
it.
We know
Yeah,
this.
Oh, we have to know that just now.
All we have is now. Well done.
Yeah.
So that point goes over to the
Fair play.
Scots singer and Paddy's team. So, and that is the end of round one, the quickfire round. Okay, and after the first round, the points stand at Distill have 2. However, Iona, Cameron and Paddy have 4. So well done to you guys. Right, moving on to the second round, which is the picture round. So obviously it's going to be a wee bit fuzzled, and then the person that can put their hand up first, answer who they think it is in the picture, will get the point. And here is our first picture.
Joe Aitken, sorry. Shh.
Oh.
No shouting out. Jamie, what's the answer?
I think it's Joe Aiken.
It is indeed Joe Aitken. Okay, number 2.
Sheena Wellington.
Yeah.
Yes, it is. Well done. To number 3.
It's
like last Saturday night.
Iona?
That's Siobhan Miller.
Yes, well done. It is. So that's 3 points to you guys.
This is not going well for me. Oh,
Claire.
Canaris Quintet.
the she.
The she. Well done, it is in fact the she. So that was the end of round 2, the picture round, and the points are at Distill, you have 3. And Iona, Cameron, Paddy, you stand at 8. Okay, and the next round, folks, is round 3, called The Sound of Music. In this round, you're going to hear a clip of music, and then put your hand up quickest and say the album and who it is, who it's by, or who's singing. Or who wrote it. Okay? So here is number 1.
When I've done my work a day.
Jamie?
Is that Barbara Dixon?
No.
What does he say?
Michelle McManus? Right, and again.
Carl Matheson?
And
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Eddie Reader?
Yes.
Yeah.
What is it? What's she singing?
Oh,
Who's
it's
that?
Tate Boat Song.
The album.
Nope.
Lochty boat song.
Number 2. Claire?
Oh no, I'm
Claire
too scared to answer.
Hastings.
Is it Dougie McLean?
Nah.
Oh, damn it.
Claire Hastings.
Yes. The
Fairweather Beggar. No. Yeah.
You're actually
Yeah.
right.
Fair.
Well done.
Number 3. On the takers. Starts with D.
Dive?
Dive, well done. And
I don't know.
Oh.
no.
A tune set?
We will give you.
Is that the album? My dad.
Is it the one with the fisherman on the
no,
front?
sorry, no, it's not.
Sorry, we need a name of the.
Is it the one with the fisherman on the front?
Is it? The
Al
fisherman?
Dickie,
It's yellow. Hero.
But
Yeah.
and it's
tune.
1 point to this team. And the last one.
the sky is like a hosting. So
Amy Papiransky.
Amy Papiransky, yep, she's really good.
Yeah. What's the name of her
And
song?
you better know the album.
The album is Read Me Right.
Oh.
Thank you guys. 2
Yeah.
points over to this team.
And I listen to that album every day.
Yes, that was right. Well done, guys. Quick off the mark there for such good music. That was Read Me Right by me. I'm Amy Papiransky, and you can buy it almost everywhere. And that's the end of round 3, The Sound of Music. And we're now on to the last round. You guys, Distill, I'm afraid you're going to have to pull your weight here, guys. You are standing at 4 points, and Cameron, Paddy, and Iona have 10. Okay, so the last round is just made up of random questions to do with music and culture, Scottish music and culture.
Great.
So, number 1. What was the name of Malinky's debut album?
Oh, debut.
Yeah, you should know. Oh. You gonna go for that?
Oh,
Cameron?
no, I should know.
No.
Jamie,
Her
what are you waiting
debut
for?
one. Oh.
Jamie.
Was it called Just Malinky? No.
Nope.
Okay. Well, do you know what? We had to go.
Was it the one
We had
of
to-
Fiona in the Field?
No.
God loves a try.
It's made up of 2 words, both start with L.
Alright.
Right, no one's got that. The answer
that's
was
dread.
Last Leaves.
Last week.
Number 2.
Of course, that makes so much more
Of
sense.
course.
With
Gavin,
Green.
Gavin Gregg last sleeve.
Number 2. Which famous Bowden player and composer performed with the Easy Club band? Yes,
Jim
Jamie.
Sutherland.
Well done, Jim Sutherland it was.
Back in Game Boys.
Number 3. When was the contest started in Glasgow?
Yeah, they were founded in Ireland in 1951, but in Glasgow in the 26th of January 1957.
Okay, great stuff. And number 4. What is further north, Edinburgh or Glasgow? Paddy.
Edinburgh.
Yes, well done. Number 5. Second last question. Which Bothy singer is married to fiddler Paul Anderson?
Shona Anderson.
Well,
Shona Donaldson.
Oh,
Shona, you
yeah,
didn't
I mean,
get it right. You didn't get it right.
Oh my god.
Shut it, Keener.
No.
Shut it,
Maiden
Keena.
name. Married to. Maiden.
Bonus point.
Bonus pie.
Name the title of Shona and Kate Mackenzie's one and only album, Iona.
Pure.
Nah. Yeah.
The Lassie's Reply.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well,
Well
that's
done.
the answer before you put your hand up.
Right, this is an interesting
Paddy.
question.
Okay.
The Grit Orchestra are opening Celtic Connections Festival 2020. How many musicians are in the band? Yeah.
57.
Nope.
Was
It
that
must be if it's an
3,057?
orchestra.
Just 57.
Okay, big stage.
Can we do it so that whoever's closest?
Because you really need the
until I
points.
get-
Can we say
how many
58?
do you think? No.
Oh, I think more.
It is.
I'd say around 84.
And I'm, gonna give you that actually. It's
Yeah.
80.
Oh, fair
Oh.
play.
So
Big orchestra.
that's, definitely pretty close. Well done, Iona. And
got
that
a
was
long
the
day
end of the
ahead of
last
you.
round. Well done to Iona, Cameron and Paddy. You won yourselves 14 points. Sorry, Distill only made 5 today. But again, thanks very much for coming.